Hey, what's up, you guys? It's me, Josie, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Just Cat. Meow, meow, meow. So today, I have done this makeup look. I used the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. It's so pretty. I used it in my last video, or in a previous video, but it was just so good, and I thought I should do another look. Oh yeah, and I decided not to talk in this video because it's literally like 10 o'clock, so that's why it's a little bit different. Anyways, if you want to see how I do this look, then keep on watching. watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos by me. Follow my Instagram. And yeah. Anyways, I hope to see all of you guys in the next video. Bye!